While her husband was missing, Jane Denton formed the National League of POW/MIA. While her husband was missing, Jane Denton formed the National League of POW/MIA. Denton was in some pretty famous company at the Hanoi Hilton. Denton was in some pretty famous company at the Hanoi Hilton. After the war, Denton continued to serve his country. Denton was a leader, even under the worst of circumstances, and he devised communication systems under the noses of the Vietnamese. Denton dealt with excruciating torture during his time as a POW. Denton dealt with excruciating torture during his time as a POW. Denton was part of what was known as the Alcatraz gang. Denton was part of what was known as the Alcatraz gang.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.